Affiliate marketing, free traffic versus paid traffic. Dun dun dun. The big topic for today. I think this is a very crucial topic because there's so many affiliate marketers out there who claim to be the best, and this traffic source is the best and this way is the best, and really I think it all depends on what works for you. But today we're going to distinguish which one is better, free traffic versus paid traffic. If you don't know Anthony Alfonso, he has a YouTube channel. You can go check that out as well. But I'm going to let a super affiliate right here answer that question.
Hey, great question. So yeah, thank you everybody for tuning into this video. So first, let me tell you a little bit about free traffic and my experience with it. When I very first started my internet business, I tried to take the free traffic approach. Now, you've probably heard there's so many different tactics. One tactic, upload YouTube content, send people back to your Facebook group, provide value, and then pitch the people it coming into your ecosystem. Now that's one way. Now another way was just spamming links and then hoping for the best. Now
the shotgun method.
The shotgun method. There's so many small things that you can do to try to earn your affiliate commission. And when I did try the free traffic, I had to ask myself, did I want to do affiliate marketing full time? And the answer was yes. I was doing construction, working 10, 12 hours a day in 100-degree weather. Moving forward, if you want to get started, I recommend going with paid traffic. The reason being is that you want to know how much I made when I very first started free traffic? I made a whopping $0. So free traffic did not work for me. It takes a bit to get going. Now, everybody's experience is going to be different with free traffic. But when I started off, I wasn't YouTube friendly, and I didn't have a big channel, and I was just starting out. But if I were to start all over, I would have just started with paid traffic. And the reason being is because paid traffic, you can scale that into a full-time business. Now, a lot of people get this part confused with free traffic and paid traffic. If you want to make full-time money on advertising, you're going to be spending full-time money on your advertising. So keep that in mind. So whatever your income goal is $3,000 a month or $5,000 or $10,000 a month. If you want full-time money from running paid traffic, you're going to be spending full-time money.
So good touching on that, Anthony. Thank you for giving that side because, I came from the opposite side. At first I wasn't afraid to get in front of the camera. I was making tons of YouTube videos and making hundreds of thousands of dollars through free traffic methods. But I can honestly say that free traffic is not scalable. And I think that's the key word that Anthony just said, scalable. Free traffic is not scalable because you're reliant on the platform, okay? YouTube could shut your channel down every day, or they can just squeeze traffic from your channel. As you've seen, if you're a YouTube creator, you probably have noticed the algorithm has changed. Video views are getting less and less as more competition comes into the space. And that's something that I noticed in my business. I said, I cannot rely on the platform to generate my traffic. I have to go out there and get it and use my hard-earned dollars to get it. But once you learn a skill like Facebook advertising or YouTube advertising, and you're able to scale with your own hard-earned money, you can turn $1 into $3 or $100 into $300 at a very scalable and fast rate, okay? So I think that paid traffic is the way to go. So if you're going to learn affiliate marketing from someone, I would recommend learning from someone like Anthony, someone that goes over paid traffic methods, because if you're going to choose someone else out there that teaches free traffic, you're probably going to learn YouTube methods or uploading videos, and that might not be scalable for you. You might not have the time to make 1,000 YouTube videos and try to rank it with keywords and stuff like that. I think that's not scalable for the masses.
I love that. So something else to consider is what type of lifestyle do you want? So right now, share below this video what type of lifestyle you want to create for yourself with affiliate marketing. And for me personally, I can share that is that I wanted a lifestyle to where, I could travel and be wherever I want and go wherever I want and not be tied down to a specific schedule. So for me, the only way I can have that lifestyle and live that dream is to run paid traffic, because I don't want to spend 15 hours a day filming a video and then hoping that, my video ranks or like my Facebook group posting, pays off eventually. I want something that I can build predictable income and scale it. So if the lifestyle that you want, if you want to live that lifestyle, then I highly recommend whatever lifestyle you want to live. If it's to travel, spend time with family, I would strongly recommend focus on paid traffic. Now, I'm not saying free traffic is bad. Now, if you're going to do free traffic, make sure that you're taking action. Now, let me give you an example. I'm not saying take action, you post one video a day, but I want you to post videos consistently. Taking action, post a video every day at 5 p.m. Post in your Facebook group. So if you're going to go the free traffic route, go all in. And lastly, what I wanted to discuss is how much budget should you have if you want to do paid traffic? Because a lot of people, like myself, when I started out, I didn't have a budget. I had a full-time job. I worked, 40 plus hours a week, and I had to save up. So set yourself up a budget. So if you're going to do paid traffic, get a mentor, go over your strategy on what you're going to do to build an income and invest in yourself and run ads. So that's what I would recommend. And the budget I'd recommend is at least have $1,000 to $2,000. Now, you can start with less, keep in mind with affiliate marketing, but if you start with less, just promote offers or affiliate products that pay you less so you can get more out of your dollars testing.
Yeah, and some good offers like that would be like lead generation offers,
yeah, like
sweepstakes offers,
auto loan offers,
right.
Sweepstake offers, insurance, home refinance. These are, lead generation affiliate products that you guys can go out and promote.
Definitely, and there's so many more technicals we could get into, but I think the basis of this video is like free traffic versus paid traffic. What's better? I think in the long term, paid traffic is going to be better. Number one, it's a skill set. Number two, it's scalable. Okay, and free traffic. I'm someone who has been doing free traffic for quite a while now, and I can honestly say it takes a lot more time and effort. Okay, making these YouTube videos every day, posting in Facebook groups is a lot of work, and like Anthony said, you have to define what type of lifestyle you want to live. Do you want to be tied to your computer and your camera day in and day out? Probably not, right? If you're watching this video, you probably want a little bit of lifestyle flexibility and freedom, and running paid traffic allows you to do that. Yes, it does take work. You have to make sure to manage your campaigns, make sure you're profitable, or make sure you're adjusting accordingly. But like we're filming these videos right here, and we're spending hundreds of dollars as we speak, running paid traffic that's profitable. So hopefully you learned a lot from this video. Hopefully you can, take what we said, take it with a grain of salt, do your own homework, of course. I would never say, everything we say is like, the gospel. You should do your own homework. Yeah. But, coming from two experienced affiliates that have been through the trenches, we can both say from our experience that paid traffic is number one.
By the way, comment below this video if you have a question. If you drop a comment within the very first hour, we'll go back and answer your question. So comment underneath this video your thoughts on free traffic versus paid traffic, and share your thoughts.
Definitely, and like, subscribe, and go check out this video. We're going to link right here. Check out that video if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing.